Breaking news, the founder of Umkhonto Wesizwe party, Mr Khumalo, has been expelled from the party. The MK party issued an official statement at a meeting held by the National Leadership Corps, and in light at the meeting in an attempt by the external forces to destabilize the MK party, who aim to advance a revolution of the people, the National Leadership Corps has taken the decision to expel the following comrades. The first one is CDE Mr Khumalo, whom President Jacob Zuma requested him to register the party for him. Some others that were expelled that are noteworthy are CDE Ray Khumalo and CDE Bheki Manzini. The main reason for expulsion of Mr Khumalo is rogue elements within the MK party,